It was at this moment that I realized I might not be dressed appropriately for the evening. The white cotton shift dress with white walking shoes may not have been my best choice. I've traveled to Washington, D.C. many times, but this is the first opportunity to walk the city as a tourist. When you visit Washington, D.C., be sure to allot plenty of time to visit monuments, historic buildings, and Smithsonian museums. You can tour on your own, or you can join an organized tour. We walked at our own pace throughout the day, and little did we know, at the end of the evening, we would witness the use of the First Amendment in action. What a windy day, but look at that view. That's impressive. Wow, we're on the National Mall in Washington, D.C., and to my right is the Capitol Building of the United States of America, and then we're going to swing around and we have the Washington Monument. Farther down the National Mall, and we are at the World War II Monument, and I am going to turn around, and there's the reflecting pool on the Lincoln Memorial. The sun is setting over Washington, D.C., and I'm going to try to walk down to the reflecting pool before the sun sets. Lincoln Memorial, right there. Just as we turn the corner to 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, we have a group of activists pleading to the Capitol to help with their cause. So if you're going to be a tourist in Washington, D.C., I suggest dressing very comfortably. Things are getting a little intense here, so I'm going to shut off the camera, but thank you for watching, and if you're not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button, and don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram.